So this side is 040 neutral. This is 050 cool. I might be colorblind because they look the same to me. Like, I can't really tell the difference. I can't tell if one side of my face is different from the other at all. I have 030, which is significantly lighter, but these, like, honestly, they look the same. I can tell you, I've used these before, and they do crease, especially on the neckline and the forehead, but pretty much every liquid foundation is going to do that. When it dries, it does look kind of matte, but if you touch it with, like, your finger, it's still, like, wet, like, it's not completely dry. So it does have some, like, sort of, like, fluid flexibility to it, which is really nice, and I love the fact that you need so little of it. So little. Like, those bottles are going to last forever. I just hate how much they weigh. They are so heavy and they're glass, so I have this worry that I'm, like, going to break the bottle. But if you want to see 050 versus 040, this is it for you. Like, I legit cannot tell a difference at all.